mistakes. We fucking no strings attached. Progress, relax. We cover up.
Oh, bang! What's up, guys? It's your boy Money, and we back again with another damn video. You feel me? And guess what? I know y'all see by the title and the thumbnail. I got something special for y'all. You feel me? Right now we on our way to Supercar Saturday. You feel me? By the big hard rock. I know y'all can see the big guitar over there. You feel me? Oh, calm down, baby. I know you excited. Calm down, shorty. So I'm gonna pick up at the camera shortly. Y'all niggas stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, bro. Subscribe, bro. Y'all go see us in one of them farms real soon, bro. I'm getting the next car real soon. Y'all stay tuned, bro. Y'all stay tuned, bro. You feel me? Yeah. Bro, I know y'all see what's going on, bro. I know y'all see what's going on, bro. I know y'all see what's going on, bro. Ferraris. Look over there, bro. But all these are my cars, gang. Look at that Vetti. Bro, y'all wouldn't believe how far I am, bro. I had to get the different lens. Like, ooh, damn. That McLaren go hard though. But yeah, we about to head down there right now, you feel me? And get the show on the road, bro. Ooh, damn. And then the young vet boys going crazy. Bro, I know y'all heard that shit, bro. Woo. Yo, why them young niggas so turn, gang? Woo. Big Bat M8. Yo, we got Whips Miami, you got Sam, we got them boys out right now. Oh shit, bro. We got Sam, Whips Miami, we got the whole gang out in this shit, bruh. I think I just saw Sam. Where did she go? Nah, bro, they got whole gang out, son. Whole gang out, son.
What's wrong? Shit.
West Miami go crazy, bro. They go crazy, on God, them niggas go crazy. Bro.
I think so, but I'm not sure. Looks like I thought we haven't got enough.
Ain't lie, gang. Ain't lie, gang. Them niggas coming trim, bro. Big fat STO, big fat Porsche, big fat band. But right now we out here, you feel me? We out here with the flowers. And I don't know how to feel, gang. Huh?
What's the name of your channel?
Let me put it on. I ain't out there like I ain't no famous ass nigga. Bruh.
Everybody on the grind, bro.
This it right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna subscribe, Rudy.
Appreciate it, appreciate it. Yo, I can't lie. I can't lie, gang. I can't lie. You got the bands, big GT shit. Ooh. Ooh. Big carbon fiber and shit. Nah, nigga. No homo, no glazing shit, but this shit got me glazing. I ain't gonna do nothing for some change, but this shit got me glazing. The whips. I'm glazing for the whips. Nothing else. Cause this a young nigga dream, bro. And a nigga gonna achieve this. That's the funny part about it too. A young nigga gonna achieve it. Bro, I can't lie. The kits they be putting on these bands, bro, hard, bro. Look at the wide body kit on this band. Look at the hood. Yo, these niggas coming through a tram, bro. That's them niggas car right there. That young nigga young too. That little nigga young. He about my age. And damn, this nigga just hopped out of this. Yo, that goes to show y'all, bruh. All of this is achievable, bruh. All of this shit achievable, bruh. Just put your mind to it, gang. On everything. All of this achievable, bruh. It's young niggas whipping this, bro. It's young niggas whipping this, bruh. All of this achievable. Where you at? Bud over there in the green shirt. All of this achievable, bruh. Achievable. On game, bruh. Don't ever feel like, oh, you too young, bro. Just grind. Stay focused, nigga. Don't watch nobody else. Don't compare yourself to no nigga, bruh. Just know you can do it. Oh, look at this, bruh. Oh, bro. Bro. You know this shit pushing. Buddy, you and Big Bumper the lead. Big Bumper the lead, bro. You know that shit pushing. Bro. Just give me a yeah. Give me a yeah, y'all go see me with these. Yo, you better give us a rev, bro. We sitting in here too long waiting for a rev, gang. Woo. That shit probably. That turbo on that shit, y'all. I know y'all heard the turbo on that shit, bro. My turbo sound better, but that shit still hard.
That's just GT's in the wheel bit right here.
Look at the details on it. This shit dirty, but look at the details on this shit, bruh. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Oh, it's Miami, bro. That shit go hard. That young nigga my age too. He my age. That goes to show y'all, bro. All of this, bro, is achievable, bro. Just keep your head in the right place, bro. Keep working, gang. Stay down. Keep grinding, gang. All of this shit achievable, bro. Most of these people that you see driving these, bro, they young. I'm talking in their young early 20s, bro. Some of them not even 20 yet. Ooh. Huh? So you want? So you trying to video me? And here's the STO. Here's the STO that I was cutting up with. Just get in here. This is the STO I was cutting up with a while ago. That's crazy. This nigga live right beside me. Damn. Hard as hell. No problem, no problem. Keep grinding.
He's getting a GT3 RS. No kidding.
That shit gonna be harder. Ooh, damn, bro. I'm probably gonna be late to pick up my dudes, but damn, nigga. Big Rolls Royce shit. Looking big, man.
The lot's like clearing out now.
Bro, this your sign, nigga. This your sign, nigga. Stay grinding. Stay on that grind, bro. Stay on that grind, twin. All this shit achievable, bro. You see it for yourself. They young, bro. I'm 21. Most of them younger than me. I think Sam younger than me. Look at her Benz right there. All of them, bro, all of them doing social media, bro. These people are rich ahead, gang. Man, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say, gang. Yo, that's gonna wrap up today's video, you feel me? Right now I'm home and I got some stuff to do right now. I gotta take care of some business. But that's gonna wrap up today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. I know y'all see them fly whips and I know y'all wanna see your boy. Y'all probably don't wanna see your boy in it cause some of y'all be haters, but you gonna see your boy in some of them whips soon. You feel me? So make sure y'all stay tuned. We locked in. Ain't no switching up. You feel me? Rip me out of plastic. Y'all gonna see a brand new money. You feel me? But yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for more content like this. You feel me? We out.
Bye, have a great time.